Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create this scary image editing in the CapCut. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can open this CapCut, and after that you can start to prepare or import some picture over here. If you click import, it will be directing into your device, and you can start to choose your picture and also the scary thief. And after that you can click this add to track and also this one. However, for this one I will start to put it over here, let's say into the first layer like this, and I will also adjust the size. And I will put it down here and adjust the incline of this smile. And you can adjust the size again, for example like this. And after that I will make this layer to become a group. You can give the control and click this one, give it a right click and click group like this. And after that you can start to do the adjustment for the look or the color. And for example, you can start to click this two again, click adjust, and you can scroll down, and for example you can start to adjust the saturation to become 0, and also for the lightness over here you can adjust the things over here. For example, I will change the contrast and let's play with it, and I think it will be better to become full of 50. And also another thing will be the brilliance. Let's see. So I will put it, let's say, to become -50, and also the highlight, this one, you can play with this. I will make it into darker or into -50. And let's play with the shadow, this one. So I will reduce it to become -25 like this. And after that you can start to, let's say, put the dot for these eyes. You can go to this text, for example, and click default text, click plus, and for example I will choose the dot, and I will also adjust the size, and I will put it over here, click this and drag it to the front. And after that I will move it slightly, and also I will duplicate it, copy and paste, and I will move it too. And you can put these dots precisely into the eyes. So this will be the scary face we have now. So that's all guys, I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.